It's Faith, and today I'll be doing a slime collection and without. And before we get started, make sure to like and subscribe. And I'm gonna start doing like challenges where you have to press. This time I'm gonna have you try to press the like button with your nose. And I know many of you guys, if you watched it, might have watched my last one, but YouTube just deleted it on me. So, yeah, I have to redo it. So, without further ado, let's get on with the video. Yo. Okay. So, wait. Sorry about that. My mom was calling me. This is like my putty and slime collection, but yeah. Let's get into the slime. So, yeah. Okay, so the first slime is this slime. It's like a purple glitter slime. Very pretty. Ooh. I'm going to try and make a slime bubble. So oh, I kind of made a bubble. Yeah. Very clicky. Put it in a swirl for you guys. I'm doing swirls. That's my swirl. It's very good. It has little glitters in it. I don't know if you can see, but right there. It's glitter, but yeah. Put back in the container. So, next slime I have is this pink one. Most of my slimes are gray, so sorry about that, but yeah. Let's take it out. Really pretty. If you want, look through it, that's so pretty. It's good at clicking. Do a swirl with this. Do a swirl with this one. I'm sorry, you didn't see my swirl, but I did it like that. So yeah, that's slime. Okay. Oh, sorry about that. Okay. I just got a message, or text message, whatever you want to call it. I have like a bigger version of this right here, but like a really big version of this. But this one's more stretchy. So this one. Yeah. It's kind of hard. No. This is the big version of it. I'm gonna move this anyway. So, the next slime is in this Rubbermaid container. It's actually a gray rubber band slime. Stretchy-ish. It actually smells really weird, but it's probably just the glue and activator that I used. Because I used a weird activator and a weird glue that I never tested before. It does make really good fluffy slime because it's fluffy and it has rubber bands in it. If you can't tell, there's no rubber bands in it. So yeah, there's that one. This is a 4 ounce, no, this isn't a 4 ounce, like an 8 ounce slime. The next slime is this one. It's like metallic actually. It's like metallic gray. I'm getting more slime tomorrow. Well, not tomorrow because today's Friday. And I'm getting it from a friend at school. And yeah. And her name is Morgan. She does not have a account on anything really. I don't think so. But here's the next slime. It's really good. It's also gray. And those three slimes are gray. This is a mini noise putty that I literally got today at school. Mini noise putty. Sorry if you can't see my face, but oh, this is a joke that my friend made up. Her name is Avery. It goes, I'm just gonna take a little trip from Spokane to Seattle. I think that went to Washington, D.C. It's just the same exact putty. It's just in a different container. Well, it's just in a different color. Really good. Yeah. Hey guys, I'm back, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video on my slime collection. So, if you guys enjoyed this video, and comment down below which slime was your favorite. This one's gotta be my favorite, because it does have some glitter, and I forgot to mention that. But yeah. And the shout out of the day goes to Kimmy K. Hobbs Berkey. Make sure to go follow her. Well, subscribe to her channel. It will be linked in the description. So, yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below. Yo.